Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In Roblox, joining someone's game without being their friend is typically done through the game server settings or through direct invitation links. So, firstly, many games in Roblox have public servers that anyone can join. If the game you are interested in has a public servers enabled, you can simply go to the game's page, click play, and then choose a public server to join. Or you can also use invitation links. Some games allow players to generate invitation links that can be shared with others. These links often bypass the need to be friends and allow direct access to join specific servers within the game. If someone sends you an invitation link, clicking on it should take you directly to the game or server they want you to join. So, if a game is associated with a Roblox group, sometimes joining the group can give you access to specific servers or games that group is playing as well. So, by utilizing these methods, you can effectively join games on Roblox without necessarily being friends with the other players. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.